Hey everyone, in this project we're going to explore the Python script that reads and process data from the text file contain student score. It will be calculate the total point for each student and identify the top score of the student. Let's go. We start by opening the score2.txt file and initialize some data structure. The data in the file is then split into the line, and each line is future split into the word. Line split, this line reads each line from opening file. Split each data list of word and store the resulting list of the list in the line split variable. The list contains the word from one line in the file. Line number 3, initialize empty dictionary and call it student. The top student also initialize other empty dictionary called top student. The top one equal to 0. This line initialize variable top1 and will be used to keep track of the highest point total found. If get total point, this line define a function name. The function takes 3 arguments: first name, last name, and added point. It's indeed to update the point of the student in the student's dictionary based on this input. For content in line split, this line structure a loop that iterates each element in the line split list, which was created earlier. Element in line split correspond to a line in the file, and first name equal to content 2. This line extracts a 3 element index 2 from the content list, represented the first name of the student. The last name equal to content 3, also from the content list, represented the last name of the student. Point equal to content 4, this line also from content list, representative of the student. Get point total for E in student, this line start a loop that iterates the key student dictionary, and then print student name. The loop, this line print the name of the student by the key and 3 point, their point, using string formatting. Inside the loop, this line check if the current student point are greater than or equal to the current maximal point. Store it in the top one, and then if the condition in the previous line is met, this line update top one with the new maximal point that's found. And then this line for E in top student, this line start a loop, iterate the key name of the score student in the top student dictionary And the last one, inside the loop, this line prints the name of the top score student and their point by value or key using string formatting.